So behind me is my daily driver, my Ford Smax 2-litre diesel Duratorque engine. Now if you've been following my channel, you know I've got my Honda Civic Type R race car project, and I've also got a Subaru Impreza, which I plan to do a few mods of that in the future. So any money I have goes on those cars, and this sort of just maintenance wise gets left behind. And anything is wrong with it normally involves me going down a scrapyard and pulling something off an old car. Now the exhaust on it has been blowing for a while now, and I've been patching it up, but it's about time I change it. So if we go around to the back of the, we can see what I've got. Ta-da! Literally some straight pipes and no silencers at all. So if you look at the tailpipe, I can actually get my whole fist in there, look. So that should sound a little bit louder and a little bit nicer than the current one. So let's have a listen to what the current one exhaust looks like, sounds like. There it is. And then we'll get this one installed. So the new exhaust has been leaking where the hangers are welded onto there, and if you can see on there, that's one I've been covering with that exhaust gum stuff. So we get this rusty old one off, and then we start installing the new one, and it is off. As you can see, I had to butcher it with the angle grinder to get it off. I mean, there is a joint here, but I could not get this to split. So out, and there's the, you can obviously see there where it's been blowing, and on that one, and again this end I had to cut the studs off of here because they were rock solid. So we can start installing the new one. So the first two pipes are on. There we go, it's a bit close, sorry. I found it easier to put this pipe on first, the middle pipe, and then put it, there's two hangers for it, so I put the two hangers on, and then I slid this first pipe into it. Where is it there? Sorry, it's really close. And then I bolted the flange up there. So all that's left to do is to put the last part of the back box on. Well, the last pipe. There is no back box, is there? Right, let's get that done. Right then, as you can see, it's all on. Now, it's a little bit higher than I wanted to be. It's actually touching the bumper, but if I need to cut it out, I'll cut it out at a later date. We'll see. Now, it was easy enough to do just with the clamps and pushing it on. So all that's left to do is to see what it sounds like. Now, after we've done the sounds of the Smax of his new straight pipe, I thought for a bit of bonus content, I'll also put some footage of my Civic with its K20 and its Tigua 70mm exhaust, and also my Subaru Impreza WRX STI with its 3-inch Miltech exhaust, and you can let me know in the comments which one you think sounds the best. Well, it's definitely not as loud as I thought it'd be. There's definitely a lot more turbo noises though. A lot of chewing or whooshing noises. It reminds me a bit of one of those Scania V8 lorries. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and as promised I will add some bonus content now of my other two cars, my Subaru Impreza and my Honda Civic. Let me know in the comments which one you think sounds the best. Thank you for watching.